I'm going to show you in this short Wix tutorial how to delete blog page on Wix. So what we're going to have to do, I want to delete this blog here. So I'm going to have to go here to pages and menu, and then here we have blog. And here I have this dot here, this icon, not dot. And then you can click on delete blog, and then now this popped up, just click on delete. And now that's pretty much it. And now if you want to add, you actually change your mind and now you want to add a blog to your website again. So what you can do here is to go to add elements, and then here we have blog. So click on blog here and then you can add to your website. So let's click again now, add Wix blog, preparing your layout, configuring your components. And then here we go, we have our Wix blog. Here you can see my business. We have this tab here, my business, Wix blog. We also can check here forums if we have this added. You can also delete this app, Wix site search, which you can delete again. And if you want, you can actually remove this Wix form. You can click on here and delete Wix forms. And then you can go back here to my business. We also have Wix site search. We can actually delete this as well if you don't want on our website. And now here, if you want to add back Wix forms, just click on here, add app, here Wix site search, just click on here and it actually deleted, but it just needs to be refreshed. And now find apps. We can go to Wix Market app, and from here you can find other apps. You can also find here apps that you might find helpful. Then here, going back to our blog, here you can write your first blog. Now you can also just click on here, click on my dashboard, and then here on blog, because we added blog, we have post, comments, categories. From here you can excuse me, you can create a new category for your blog. So let's say this, I'll name this category this is a business about dogs. So I named this category puppy training tips. Here I'll add a description for this category, and also I add an image. So I can click on here, and then here I'll use Unsplash, and then here I'll write dog. Then I'll grab this image and add to this category, and I'll save this category. Now here we have our first category in our blog. Now we can go to overview, and here you can create a first post. We can also click on here to post, and you can check how many posts we have. Now you can create a new post, and then here you can add your title. So here we can write title, and then here we can write a description, of course. And don't forget that you can, from here, you can select your category. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful about how to remove blog from your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If you have more suggestions for the next Wix tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.